Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back. We are continuing from Math UT Practice and now we are at practice 10. Now practice 10 is about writing the square roots of a number given without using a calculator. So how do I find that? Square roots of 144. So you will have to think like what times itself will equals to 144. What times what equals to 44. For example, 5 times 5 equals to 25. So the square root of 25 will be 5. But at the same time, negative 5 times negative 5 also equals to 25. So we will say the square root of 25 is actually both 5 and negative 5. That's one of the example, of course. How about this one? Square root of 144. How do I do that? If you have calculator, you can do directly from there. But then, even though the question says without using a calculator, because this is supposed to be known without calculator, right? You can think what times what will be 144. If you don't want to think too much, let's use calculator. So square root 144. What do you get? You get 12. So your answer will be 12 and also negative 12. Negative 12 times negative 12 is also 144. So click that as well. Then next one. Square root 196. Square root 196. I get 14. So my answer will be 14 and negative 14. Let's just quickly continue with the others. Square root 225. Square root 225. If you can do it in hard, that's better, of course. So 15 and negative 15. Next. Square root 324. In the end, you'll see these numbers, right? 5, 6, or even this 4. You can think that way. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16, so you have 6 in the end. 5 times 5 is 25, so you have 5 in the end. What times what will equals have something, but then in the end is 4. 324, so it's a big number. It should be more than 10 because 10 times 10 is 100, but it has to be less than 20 because 20 times 20 is 400. So square root 324, what can you guess? It will be somewhere around square root 324, 18. Good. So it will be 18 and negative 18. How about next one? Square root 289. You can have, let's click calculator. Square root 289, you can have 17. So you write 17 and negative 17. Next, square root 169. Square root 169, you have 13 and negative 13 as well. Let's just continue. Square root 729, you will have, that's a very big number, right? Square root 729, you can have 27. So 27 and negative 27. Let's just continue. 400, what times what is 400? 20 times 20 is 400, but we can't forget the negative 20 because negative becomes positive. So it's again 20 times 20 there. How about 441? 1 in the end. That's a special. Only 1 times 1 is 1 in the end, right? So it should be 400. It's more than 400, so more than 20. So let's try 21 times 21. Is it 441? Yes. So 21 times 21. You can do this way, of course. It's 441, so that is correct. How about negative 21? Negative 21 times negative 21. That's also 441. So the square root of 441 is 21 and negative 21. Next, square root of 256. It's easier to use this one directly, right? Square root 256, you have 16. So 16 and negative 16. Next one, square root of 484. Square root 484, you can have 22. So 22 and negative 22. Now this was a little hard, but not too hard because you have calculators. You can use it even if the questions ask you not using calculator. What matters the most is marks, right? So you know how to do it. That's good. So practice 10 should be easy enough for that one. Practice 11, again you will need calculator, or without calculator it also can be done. So in this exam, calculator is a must. So till then, see you. Ta-da, bye-bye, Allah Hafiz.